Spirit and nature uses these 4 keys. And when we play this position, we won't even need to use our little finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th white key from the bottom. Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha. Spirit and nature dancing together, Spirit and nature dancing together. Victory to spirit and victory to nature, victory to spirit and victory to nature. Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha. This song sounds good with double drone notes. Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha. Spirit and nature dancing together, Spirit and nature dancing together. Victory to spirit and victory to nature, victory to spirit and victory to nature. Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha. Spirit and nature dancing together, Spirit and nature dancing together. Victory to spirit and victory to nature, victory to spirit and victory to nature, victory to spirit and victory to nature, victory to spirit and victory to nature. Now I want to provide you with an option here on a different drone note. And that is this harmonium key right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th harmonium key, the white harmonium key from the left. You can use that as a drone note and still use a little finger to play this key as a double drone note. Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha. Spirit and nature dancing together, Spirit and nature dancing together. Victory to spirit and victory to nature, victory to spirit and victory to nature. Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha, Radha Govinda Jai, Radha, Radha. Spirit and nature dancing together, Spirit and nature dancing together. Victory to spirit